Welcome to the Undergraduate Research Training Program, Cohort 02. This program offers a comprehensive dive into research, perfect for undergraduates from any discipline. Gain a certificate of completion and potentially secure a 6-month project-based internship with the Deep Bio Limited CHIRAL Bangladesh team. URTP 101 covers the fundamentals of research methodology, where you'll learn key research designs, methods, and frameworks. In URTP 102, you'll get a guide to the reference management program Zotero, learning to read, annotate, and highlight research efficiently. URTP 103 focuses on data collection with Kobo Toolbox, developing practical skills in digital data collection. URTP 104 teaches best practices for research data management, mastering techniques for organizing, storing, and securing your research data. URTP 105 covers applied statistics for research, helping you grasp core statistical concepts for data interpretation and analysis. In URTP 106, you'll learn data analysis with R for research, applying statistical techniques using R for data-driven insights. URTP 107 explores spatial analysis and mapping with R for research, focusing on spatial data processing and visualization in R. URTP 108 is all about scientific writing, enhancing your skills in writing and presenting research effectively. URTP 109 helps you in understanding the publication process, guiding you through peer review, journal selection, and manuscript submission. Finally, URTP 110 focuses on professional communication and career documents development, providing guidance on CVs, cover letters, and resumes. The program is delivered online via Zoom, consisting of 45 lectures totaling 90 hours. This program is specifically designed for undergraduate students from any discipline interested in research. Classes run from 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m., with weekly mentoring sessions from 9 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. The payment is 4,080 taka. Selected participants can choose a research track in public health, geospatial health, bioinformatics, or AI in health. The lead organizer and trainer for this program is MD JUBAYER Hossein. Don't miss out on this opportunity to kickstart your research career. Enroll in URTP Cohort 02 today and check out our FAQs for more details.